Welcome to another day at Gecko Oasis. Today we'll make a game called Mario Mushroom Mans. Let's gather our ingredients. The base of this drink is club soda and heavy whipped cream. And we also add some strawberry syrup. Let's start by filling a glass half full with ice. Oh, wow. Just one more ice into it. Then add 1 can of club soda. Bread. Then add 3 tablespoons of strawberry syrup.
Let's go!
Then stir it up.
Okie dokie! All right! Let's go!
Next, add a half of a tablespoon of cream.
Wow!
Now mix it together. Remember to ask an adult for help because knives are sharp. After cutting up your strawberries, let's put it in the blender. You need to add 2 or 3 strawberries. Then we blend up the strawberries. This is the fun part.
Woohoo! Mamma mia! Yeah! Ha ha ha! Hee I got it!
Now twist the lid off. Now pour the strawberries into your drink. Now stir just on the top slowly. I prepared a marshmallow dipped in red candy nuts. Put the marshmallow on the tray.
Oh!
Go ahead and stick a straw in the center. Then pick it up and then slide it through. Slide it all the way up. But leave enough room to drink. Then put it inside your drink. This is Mario Mushroom Madness. Delicious. Next week we're gonna make Luigi's limeade. See you next time. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome drink ideas.